Hi friends, in this video we will be seeing how to set up Airflow server inside Docker as a Docker container. Airflow server is a open source Apache platform, helps us to run scheduled tasks on scheduled time. Either if we want to run a task on 10 a.m. daily, that is possible. If we want to run a task on 10 a.m. on every week or every 7 days or every 1 month or even yearly, that is possible using this Airflow server. So in this video we will be setting up the Airflow server inside the Docker container and see how the server user interface will look like. So we already have the Docker compose file content. I will show you. So we have to create a new file called docker-compose.yml, and we already have the Docker compose file content. I'm just pasting this content. This Docker compose file link is given in description. You can just go there and take it. Just create this file and your Docker should be running. I mean Docker desktop or Docker server, Docker should be running. And once this Docker compose file is created, you will have to run this command docker compose up, enter. So if you are creating this container for the first time, it will download all the images, so it will consume much time. Now the server is downloaded and now it is starting. So the server is now started. We will go to browser and see. So this is the login screen of this Airflow server. Username is going to be Airflow and password. Sorry, username is going to be admin and the password is Airflow. Password is Airflow. These two values we already have configured in our Docker compose file, and if you want to change it, you can do that. When I click on sign in, this is the user interface of Airflow server, and this is how we need to set up Airflow server inside Docker as a container. If you open this Docker desktop, you can see this Airflow container is up and running, and it has all the web server, Postgres server for backend scheduler, everything running. So on the next video, we will be discussing on how to create a task and run it on specific time for every day using DAG, which is supported in this Airflow.